Guys, welcome back to a new video and something slightly different today, because today I'm going to talk about this. Now this is a massage gun. It's the Q2 Pro mini massage gun, and it's from Bob and Brad, who are a well-respected physical therapists over in the US. They have, I think, 5 million plus followers on YouTube, and this particular product has garnered, I think, 87% reviews, favourable, exceptional reviews on Amazon. So there's obviously a lot of people who purchased this and are very, very happy with the product. And the reason I'm showing you this today is because my channel's about backpacking, hiking, camping, long distance walking. And I'm a certain guy now at a certain age who, in his 50s, I don't mind saying, but I do suffer now with joints. My joints do ache at the end of a long day's walk or hike. And traditionally in the past, I've used a foam roller, maybe not as big as this that I take with me, but it helps me roll out my calves, my lower back after a long day's walk, carrying potentially 15 kilograms plus and a heavy backpack. Obviously, sore feet. I've used a tennis ball in the past. This takes up no space within my rucksack, and I roll out the balls of my feet again at the end of a day's walk, and that's helped. But what I was after was something that would give me a little bit more than that, and something that was compact. So this has been a bit of a game changer for me. I'm also a very, very keen gym goer, okay, as part of my daily and weekly fitness. And I go to the gym 4 or 5 times a day. And I throw this in my kit bag now as well, because after I've done any sort of exercise, and that really, really useful in my day to day. Also, I go to a chiropractor, and again, it's just part of my body maintenance. But again, after a chiropractor session, I can use this, and again, particularly my lower back, it's really, really good on it. So I thought it'd be good to sort of show you this today, open it up in the box, see what you get for it, all its different features. It has a number of attachments, and it also has a hot and cold therapy attachment, which I'm keen to understand how that works. So yeah, let's open it up and see what we get.
It comes in an attractive case with a handle. Inside the case is the gun and all the attachments. There's a USB-C charging cable which takes 210 minutes to charge, the gun itself, and then a ball head attachment which is used for large muscle groups like the quads and glutes. Moving on from that, we have an air cushion head, more used for the relaxation of sensitive body parts, and a bullet head which is used for joints, deep tissue and trigger points, and particularly with the feet I've used this one. Also a U-shaped head for spine, neck and shoulders, and finally the hot and cold attachment which can be used across all body parts. Supporting that is an instruction manual which shows you all the different muscle groups. The gun itself has its charging point at the end, so you can see it's a USB-C. It's switched on by holding that button down for a couple of seconds, and you'll see 2 blue lights come on. As I say, it takes about 3 and a bit hours to charge up. You can then cycle through, pressing that button down, the different speeds of the massage gun, obviously going from low to high. The hot and cold therapy unit has a USB-C connection. By pressing on the cold button, it has 2 settings, one lit by green, which is at 10 degrees centigrade. And if you press the button again, it'll go on to blue, and that takes it to 15 degrees centigrade. I've switched this on already, and you can see straight away by the condensation, almost at the bottom with my fingers touching it, how cool this gets very, very quickly. So again, great for that sort of deep cold tissue massage that you would like to do. The hot therapy unit works exactly the same. You press the button and an orange LED will come on, and that is at 40 degrees centigrade. If you want it to be slightly warmer, press it again, it will go red, and that then goes up to 45 degrees centigrade. And already by touching the bottom of the unit there, I can already feel the heat rising very, very rapidly as well. So this can be on your muscles, doing what you need to do in a very, very short time. Great piece of kit and highly recommend it.
So what do I think of the Bob and Brad Q2 Mini Pro massage gun? Well, I think it's great. I'm super impressed with it. It's like having your own personal mini masseuse that walks around with you. I don't need the cumbersome foam rollers that I've used in the past. So this will definitely be my new personal massage friend. It's perfect size wise. As I said, I think it's about 450 grams and stuff, so it's pretty lightweight. Goes in your pack, whether you're hiking, whether you're in the gym. Absolutely great. The design is good, the quality looks good, so overall it's a real thumbs up from me. So hope you like the review. I believe there'll be a discount code as well somewhere in the description, so I think you can get 10% off this as well. So please look at that and take advantage of that great offer. And until next time, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. This one is a slightly different video compared to my normal stuff, but as I say, I think it sort of supports and accompanies me in terms of my exercise and what I do with walking. So this is part of my, if you like, hiking kit now for moving forward. See you in the next one, guys. Take care.